Welcome back. Let's just get straight on where we left off. Still working on this section of the bumper. The filler's dried on the top, but it needs another coat, and I need to put some on here as well. But thinking about it, what I probably should have done first, I should have done the top part, the fins first, because I've made it awkward for myself trying to get in there now, trying to fix those. But doesn't matter, we'll crack on and see what we can do. I'm going to give it a sand down and see what sort of finish I get. I might need to do a thin layer again just over the top, but it does look quite level, I think. Looks pretty good. So we'll get it smooth and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, I think we're making progress. The basic shape is there. It just needs a little bit of tidying up to get that edge a little bit better there, and obviously round it off and smooth it down. It's taken a lot longer than I thought to sand it all down. I've left with quite a few little marks, so I'm just going to try and fill the little marks, and then I can smooth it down again, and hopefully the last bit will be done. We're almost there. The shape's pretty good. Just got a few little dents there to finish off, and then once they're filled in and it's smooth, I'm going to spray it with a primer and then just cover it with a bit of plastic or something to protect it, and then I can get on with these bits here. First spray just looked absolute rubbish. There's scratches and holes and everything in it, so I've sanded it down again and I've filled the little holes again, little pinholes, with more filler, and then we'll see how it looks when it's sanded down and sprayed again. we'll let that dry, and then I think one more coat, and then we'll turn it over and do the other side in the morning. Right, so finally stage 1 is done. I think that's the easy bit. Next bit is going to be a lot harder. So the next thing we've got to do is 2 things coming across. But what we've got to do, as you can see in the picture, is you've got to leave a circle there for the tow bar connection, which is here. So what you get with the spare tyre is this, one of these, and that screws on to here, and obviously when the bumper's on it's got to go through the bumper, so we need to make a little hole so this can always push on. Or I suppose, to make it simple, we could actually do without the hole and just go straight across. Well, there's an idea. That's going to make it a lot easier, because then I could just straighten that and just go straight across. Maybe. Now I'm thinking that's not going to work, because it does, the tow hook connection does protrude slightly through the hole, so that's not going to work. I think we're going to have to keep the hole there. Because that bit does stick through a little bit, probably that much. As you can see, it's been a bit of a nightmare trying to get the fins sort of made and fabricated. It's difficult trying to get the right shape, fit them to the bit that's there that's cut off. So what I've decided to do is to make a silicone mould. So I've ordered some silicone, like a special gel mould. So I'm going to put that over here maybe, and so I can copy a section. And then once I've got the mould, I can put fiberglass in that. And then if I copy from say here to here, then I can use that here. I know it's going to fit. It's going to fit there. I just need to cut it to size. So I've ordered that, and I'm just waiting for that to arrive. So in the next video, I don't know, we could give it a wash. It's pretty dusty after all that sanding and bodywork. But what I'll probably do is try and push that dent out. I can get in around the back there, so I'm probably going to do the dent, and maybe if I can get some paint, restore that badge as well. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.